Hey everyone, in this video we are going to continue our series on the key signatures. Now, what in the land of sharps, what is the order of the keys themselves that have sharps? So I'm going to give it to you right now. G, D, E, A, B, F sharp, and C sharp. Note those are the keys of the key signatures. Those are the keys that those key signatures denote. The order of keys that have flats, those, however, if you go from the top down on what's called the circle of fifths, which we will talk more about in the next section, you will see that the keys F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and C flat going down the circle. And here they are. In sharp order, flat order, you have to go up to get more. You have to go from this 1 flat, 2 flat, 3 flat, 4, 5, 6. You have to get that there. So those are the keys that the key signatures denote themselves. These are not the order of sharps and flats in the key signature, but the keys that the key signatures are known by. All right, so any questions, I will be glad to take them, and I'll see you in the next time.